I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting your Google account ready and the TV online. Sign into the exact Google account you'll use on the TV from a phone or browser. That makes device linking faster. Once signed in, make sure the TV is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet and fully updated. Open the Play Store on the TV or go to Settings Accounts. These are the first actionable steps because account and network readiness prevent most pairing failures down the road. Next, link the TV to your account through the Play Store so apps can install. On a computer or phone, go to Play, Google, sign in and open Settings to see your devices, locate the TV name and enable visibility. On the TV itself, open the Play Store, accept any prompts, and refresh. If the TV doesn't appear, sign out and back in on both ends and confirm the TV model matches the listed device. Doing this synchronizes availability of apps and purchase permissions. Finally, install apps from the Play Store web or directly on the TV and confirm they land on your device. From Play, Google, pick an app, choose your TV as the target device and press Install, then watch the TV for download progress. If installation fails, clear the Play Store cache on the TV, reboot both the router and the TV, and try again. If problems persist, remove and re-add the Google account on the TV. Only use a factory reset if all other fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.